Of the many enhancements that has been introduced in VisualCAD 2020 is the ability to insert background images like bitmap images. And you can do this by going over to the modeling aids tab in VisualCAD, and you'll see there's a new group over here which is called background image. And you could click on place to insert an image, and you could go ahead and locate an image file. So it could be JPEG, it could be GIF, PNG, bitmap file. So you can select an image, and this will allow you to basically pick two corners, and the aspect ratio is automatically determined as you pick the two corners. So once you insert the background image, you have options to move them around. You can scale it, you can hide or show the image, you can convert it to a grayscale, you can change the transparencies on it, and also you can remove the image. One of the advantages of using background images is you can use these for creating curve geometry. So you can use this as a reference, and you can basically trace around these using the various curve modeling tools that are available to you in VisualCAD. For example, I could use a NURBS curve in here to trace around the profile in here. So you can basically click through a bunch of points in here to trace, to draw the shape that you'd like to do. So you can use the background bitmap to basically insert it in the background, and then you can trace around it. And if you want to hide the image, you can go back and hide it. So this is available to all users using VisualCAD CAM 2020. Now there's been several other improvements. I'm going to go through a few other improvements and enhancements that are in VisualCAD CAM 2020. So we'll focus on, as we are focusing on the VisualCAD enhancement at this moment.